Hi, my name is Patrick. Now, recently there was a news, or a matter of fact, the news is today's news that there is a court case with regards to MBA CET. I mean, the court case was yesterday, but the news came out to me today. The basically news is that Bombay High Court has stayed a declaration of results, okay, by the petition of 35 aspirants. It's not the results of 35 aspirants, but I believe the overall results have been stayed. Though they mention November 11th out here, it's actually October 11th as given in the article. So till October 11th, that is next few days, the results has been stayed. The result will not come out. They given a reason for it where the petition states, okay, that the exam was not conducted properly and they are requesting an expert committee to be formed so that a re-exam can be conducted. That is what a petition is all about. And the next hearing, as I mentioned, is 11th October 21, right? And then the court will take up this is the case. Now, what happens because of the case? So, what could be the outcome of this case? Let's first look at that and then look at what should you do as such. The most likely outcome is that the CT cell will respond, okay, and the court will be satisfied and the result could come out after 11th October. That could be the most possible result. I mean, court may give a stricture against the CT cell, give them a warning, give them something. That's what happened in the previous case. There was once such a case where people had gone to the court saying the exam was not conducted properly. The court did warn the CT cell, or that time it was not the CT cell, the DTE as such, and but the results were then declared as per whatever the formula was. They did a committee for calculation of the result that time. So that time they formed a committee which included a director of Bajaj to form a committee saying that how the results should come out. That's the only thing they did. As a matter of fact, the current director of Bajaj was the same person or same madam who actually was also director at that time, and she was responsible for the counting of the results and coming out of results and clarifying whatever the problem was at that time. Okay, that was what happened in the previous case, right? And in that case, maximum the committee would do is look at how to calculate the results separately and then come out. But if you look at the current calculation, there may not be much change because it's already done slot-wise percentile calculation. I don't think there will be much change. There was not much change at that time also. The calculation was same. What was there that time? The calculation is same this time. Will remain the same this time too. Unlikely that the calculation will change because any change in calculation then will give you faulty results, right? Second possibility is that court may have a committee, okay, on a request by students, okay, to take corrective actions. Again, the corrective action maximum could be looking at methods to calculate a percentile. But my personal feeling is the current way of calculation is the best, the slot-wise calculation. I don't think there can be much change. Retest, unlikely. First of all, COVID situation, court has never asked for complete retest. Even when there was a lot of issues with regards to forgery in other exams, they have never asked for a retest. So it's unlikely to be a retest. But yes, and this among the outcome, that is also a possibility that there could be a retest. Okay. How it will affect the students? I think the only thing it will affect is it will delay the results to some extent, a few more days. So I don't think it's a cause of worry. Just keep your fingers crossed and wait for the results to come out. The results will anyway come out and you will have accordingly the admission process that will start. So I don't think it should be major concern as such. What should student do? Continue with whatever the activity is as if the results did not come out. So if you're preparing for the CAT exam, do continue preparing for CAT exam. I mean, what happens in sometimes in the court case, the whole thing can elongate okay, there could be one more date and one more date, and that could extend the time period where the results will come out. In that case, it's very safe to get whatever activities you're doing. You're doing a job, you're preparing for CAT, you're writing GMAT, you're doing whatever activities you're doing. You can continue doing it and ensure that you go ahead with the same. Okay, that's what you can do. So not to worry about it. Imagine that the results are delayed. That's all, and just wait for the results to come out. I don't think the results that have already come out will change. That will remain the same, all likelihood, because I don't think the calculation will change. It's only thing the dates have been extended. So keep your fingers crossed and wait for a final outcome. Right? I hope that is clear. Thank you.